A teenage driver clocks 99 miles per hour on a Pinal County highway. In Arizona, that number changes everything about this stop. We've muted the original release and laid our own track. Let's break down the law the deputy is about to apply. The deputy approaches and calmly explains the reading. At this speed, there's no warning ticket on the table. 99 is 14 over the criminal speed cutoff. That's not a fine, that's a misdemeanor charge.
The sheriff's own caption catches the admission. Inattention is no defense to speed. Arizona's speed law is what lawyers call strict liability.
Here's what makes Arizona different. Most traffic tickets are civil. You pay a fine and move on with no criminal record. But criminal speeding, driving on a suspended license, and reckless driving all cross into misdemeanor territory with a mandatory court date. A white Dodge Charger sits on a shoulder. High horsepower cars are the ones that quietly slide past 100 without the driver noticing. For a driver under 18, Arizona layers on graduated license penalties. A criminal speed conviction can suspend a license outright.
A conviction here follows a teen for years, insurance, the driving record, even future employment background checks.
And the number on the ticket is never the real cost. Arizona stacks an 83% surcharge on top of the base fine. Then come license points, defensive driving school, and insurance increases that can outlast the ticket by years. In most states, 99 is an expensive ticket. In Arizona, it's a criminal charge with a mandatory court appearance. Up to 30 days jail, up to $500 plus surcharges, and points that can pull a license. Credit: Pinal County Sheriff's Office.